left my reloading stuff here for quite a while, and my wife got kind of upset at me one day. She said something jumped out at her on one of the coffee cans I left out there. So she went and took a look. I'm gonna be real slow here. Something has taken to building a nest inside my coffee can. I can see some movement in there, but I don't know if the camera's going to catch it or not. I don't want to disturb it. Yeah, I see it. Oh well, I'll try to catch it later. Oh, you see it? See it? There you go. Baby birds are still up in there. See them. Try it out. Birds are gone. Yep, I think they flew. They flew the coop. Yeah. Bye, birdies.
Hey, show brother the bird. Show brother the bird outside. No.